हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ अकाउंट सब्जेक्ट के जो आपकी टर्म 1 की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। दिस इज़ द पार्ट 2 ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फंडामेंटल चैप्टर। पार्ट 1 हमारे चैनल में ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो चुका है। उसमें मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 तक एमसीक्यू करवाए थे। अगर आपने अभी तक वह नहीं देखा है तो मैं आपको उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी। पहले आप वह देखें, देन यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करें। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, विच अकाउंट्स आर ओपन व्हेन द कैपिटल्स आर फिक्स्ड? ऑप्शंस आर ओनली कैपिटल अकाउंट, ओनली करेंट अकाउंट, कैपिटल अकाउंट एज वेल एज करेंट अकाउंट, ईदर कैपिटल अकाउंट और करेंट अकाउंट। सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, capital account as well as current account. Question number 22, balance of partners current account are, options are debit balance, credit balance, debit or credit balance, neither debit nor credit balance. So the right answer is option C, debit balance or credit balance. Question number 23, which item is recorded on the credit side of partner's current account? Options are interest on partner's capital, salaries of partners, share of profits of partners, all of the above. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 24, if the partner's capital account are fixed, interest on capital will be recorded. Options are on the credit side of current account, on the credit side of capital account, on the debit side of current account, on the debit side of capital account. So the right answer is option A, on the credit side of capital account. Question number 25, for the firm, interest on drawing is, options are capital payment, expenses, capital receipt, income. So the right answer is option D, income. Question number 26, interest on partners drawing will be debited to, options are profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, partners current account, interest account. So the right answer is option C, partners current account. Question number 27, when partners capital account are fixed, which one of the following items will be written in the partner's capital account? Options are partner's drawing, additional capital introduced by the partner in the firm, loan taken by partner from the firm, loan advanced by partner to the firm. So the right answer is option B, additional capital introduced by the partner in the firm. Question number 28, if date of drawings of the partners is not given in the question, interest is charged for how much time? Options are 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month. So the right answer is option C, 12 month. Question number 29, A and B are partners according to profit and loss account. The net profit for the year is rupees 2 lakh. The total interest on partners drawing is rupees 1000, as salary is rupees 40,000 per year and B's salary is rupees 3000 per month. The net profit as per profit and loss appropriation account will be, options are 1,23,000, 1,25,000, 1,56,000, 1,58,000. So the right answer is option B, rupees 1,25,000. Question number 30. On 1st April 2018, 2F's capital was rupees 2 lakh. On 1st October 2018, he introduces additional capital of rupees 1 lakh. Interest on capital at the rate 6% per annum on 31st March 2019 will be, options are rupees 9,000, rupees 18,000, rupees 10,500, rupees 15,000. So the right answer is option D, rupees 15,000. Question number 31. If a fixed amount is withdrawn by a partner on the last day of every month, interest on the total amount is charged for dash month. Options are 12, 6 1 by 2, 5 1 by 2, 6. So the right answer is option B, rupees 6 1 by 2. Question number 32. This is the assertion and reason question. So assertion is partners must be distributed the earned profit in the proportionate capital ratio, and the reason is profit should be distributed in the profit sharing ratio as decided in partnership agreement as per Partnership Act 1932. Options are both A and are true, are individually, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both and are individually true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. So the right answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. It means assertion is wrong, but reason is true. Question number 33. Sony and Romi are equal partners with fixed capital of rupees 4 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively. After closing the account for the year ending 31st March 2019, it was discovered that interest on capital was provided at the rate 8% instead of 10% per annum in the adjusting entry. So options are Sony will be credited by rupees 8,000 and Romi will be credited by rupees 6,000. Sony will be debited by rupees 8,000 and Romi will be debited by rupees 6,000. Sony will be debited by rupees 1,000 and Romi will be credited by rupees 1,000. Sony will be credited by rupees 1,000 and Romi will be debited by rupees 1,000. So the right answer is option D. Sony will be credited by rupees 1,000 and Romi will be credited by rupees 1,000. Question number 34. This is also the assertion and reason question. So, assertion is when a partner is given guarantee by other partners, loss on such guarantee will be borne by all other partners. Reason is when a partner is given guarantee by other partners, loss on such guarantee will be borne by partners who give the guarantee. So options are both and are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both and are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. So the right answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. It means assertion is wrong, but reason is true. Question number 35. This is the match the following. So फर्स्ट इज रैंड पेड टू पार्टनर, तो इसका आंसर है रैंड पेड टू पार्टनर का फर्स्ट आंसर इज बी एंड सेकंड सैलरी पेड टू पार्टनर इज appropriation of profit. Question number 36. This is also the match the following. So when first is when drawings are made at the end of each month. So this answer is first answer is C and second answer is B. When drawings are made at the beginning of each month is 6.5 month. Question number 37. Goodwill is defined as options are intangible asset, fictitious asset, current asset, liquid asset. So the right answer is option A, intangible asset. Question number 38. Priya and Kajal are partners in a firm, sharing profits or losses in the ratio of 5:3. The balance is their fixed capital accounts on April 1, 2006, where Priya is rupees 6 lakh and Kajal is rupees 8 lakh. The profit of the firm for the year ended March 31, 2007 is rupees 1,26,000. दिस इज़ द केस बेस्ड स्टडी क्वेश्चन. जो आपको ये पैसेज दिया गया है 30 to 40 का, मतलब वर्ड्स का, और आपको ये क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं 38 to लेके 40 तक. तो आपको ये पढ़ के, ये केस स्टडी पढ़ के प्रिया एंड काजल की आपको इनके आंसर्स करने हैं. तो मैं 38 क्वेश्चन पढ़ती हूँ आपके लिए. 38. Calculate of shares of profits of Kajal A. Then there is no agreement in respect of interest on capital. So the right answer is option B, rupees 63,000. That is the answer. Question number 39. Calculation of shares of profits of Priya when there is an agreement that the interest on capital will be allowed at the rate 12% per annum. Options are rupees 54,000, rupees 63,000, rupees 48,000, rupees 72,000. So the right answer is option A, rupees 54,000. Question number 40. This is the last question but not least. In which capital show the interest of capital when capital is fixed? Options are partner's capital account, partner's current account, neither capital nor current account, balance sheet. So the right answer is option B, partner's current account. यहाँ पे आपको पूरे फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप के और जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट से लेकर 40 तक क्वेश्चंस करवाए उसके यहाँ पे आपको आंसर्स दिए गए हैं. अगर आपसे पहले में कोई मिस्टेक हो गई हो तो पहले आप ये एक बार दोबारा देख सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू फॉर सीइंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू ऑल लाइक द वीडियो. इसके बाद मैं आपको चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो के मैं आपको MCQs करवाऊँगी. सो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपसे कोई आगे की वीडियो मिस ना हो. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.